This is the third generation 2.1 pound professional jerky gun kit, and I wanted to give a detailed look at what comes included and how it works for making homemade jerky and sausage. This jerky gun is made from stainless steel, which immediately makes it feel sturdy and well built. It doesn't feel flimsy or cheap, and it's designed to handle thicker meat textures without bending or flexing while you're using it. The capacity is 2.1 pounds, which is a really good size. You can load a decent amount of any meat at once, so you're not constantly stopping to refill the tube. That makes the whole jerky making process that much more fast and efficient. This kit includes 5 different nozzles, which gives you options depending on what you're making. You can use them for flat jerky strips, like I'm doing here, round sticks, or sausage style shapes. Switching between the nozzles is simple and they lock in securely so nothing shifts when you're pressing. It also comes with a dedicated meat pusher, which helps you apply even pressure when dispensing the meat. That makes the jerky come out more consistent in thickness, which is important when you're dehydrating or cooking so everything finishes evenly. One thing I really like is how smooth the trigger action feels. You don't have to strain or fight it while pressing. Even when the gun is fully loaded, the grip is comfortable and the pressure feels controlled instead of jerky or uneven. Cleanup is another area that this kit really shines. It includes 5 different cleaning brushes, each designed to fit different nozzles and internal parts. That makes it much easier to clean everything thoroughly after use instead of struggling to reach inside tight spaces. Because the main body is stainless steel, it cleans up well and doesn't absorb odors or stain. That is a huge plus if you're making different types of jerky or seasoned meats. This jerky gun works well for beef jerky, but it's also great for sausage, snack sticks, and other ground meat recipes. It's a versatile tool whether you're new to making jerky or already do it regularly. Overall, this design feels very practical, nothing overly complicated, just solid construction and useful accessories that actually make the process easier from start to finish. If you like making homemade jerky or want more control over ingredients, flavors, and portion sizes, this jerky gun makes the process much more approachable. Overall, this third generation jerky gun kit feels durable, easy to use, and thoughtfully put together. Between the large capacity, multiple nozzles, smooth operation, and the included cleaning tools, it's a solid option for anyone serious about making jerky or sausage at home.